Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove WhatsApp from your Facebook page. Let's get started. So first, to remove your WhatsApp number from Facebook page, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then, on your Facebook, switch it from your personal profile to Facebook page. And when you're in your Facebook page, tap the three lines menu or your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap the name of your page from the list and go to your page profile. And tap the three dots under the page profile picture and cover photo. And a new menu will appear. Tap on Edit and click About Info at the bottom of the screen and a new screen appears. Then here under the Contact Info section, you'll see your WhatsApp number. And tap on the Edit icon. And then here, tap on the Remove button next to your phone number under your WhatsApp number section. A confirmation will appear and tap Remove to complete the process. Now, WhatsApp has been successfully removed from your Facebook page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!